Good morning, ma'am. My name is Dlco. I am from second year of BTech from SRT College. I am from CSM department of B section, and today I am presenting a video of CIA to assignment topic name with addition and subtraction of signed numbers, and the subject name is digital logic and computer organization. So my topic name is I am starting with the topic name with addition and subtraction of signed numbers. So first slide of this PPT is introduction to signed numbers. Signed numbers can be positive or negative. So in a mathematical numbers, there can be positive and negative. Both numbers can conclude in the numbers. So it is also called as the integers. So in this PPT, signed numbers can be positive or negative. They are often used to represent values in various real world contexts. Understanding how to add and subtract them is crucial for math proficiency. So this is the main thing which we have to study in the maths. So understanding how to add and subtract, so this is called the mathematical proficiency. And understanding positive and negative numbers, this is also a type of the maths. So positive numbers are greater than 0 and are usually written about without a sign. Negative numbers are less than 0 and are denoted with a minus sign. So positive numbers greater than 0 is with they are written with plus sign. So these are called other positive numbers, and negative numbers are less than 0 which are denoted with a minus sign. So these are called as the negative numbers. So we can conclude easily identify which is positive and which is negative by identifying the signs, either positive or negative, like either plus or minus signs. And the number 0 is neutral and serves a boundary between positive and negative line. So 0 is a middle of the both positive and negative numbers. Next, the number line. A number line visually represents both positive and negative numbers. Moving to the right indicates increasing values, while moving left indicates decreasing values. So we have know that while moving the right side, it increases the values like descending order, and moving left side, it indicates decreased value like ascending order. And understanding the number line helps in visualization, addition and subtraction of signed numbers. And first of all, addition of signed numbers. So when adding two positive numbers, the result is positive. Similarly, when adding two negative numbers, the result is negative. In both cases, you add the absolute values of the numbers. And addition of signed numbers using different signs. When adding numbers with different signs, subtract the smaller absolute value from the larger. So the sign of the result is determined by the number with the larger absolute value. This rule helps simplify the process of adding signed numbers. And example of additions. So these are the examples of addition. 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Both numbers are positive. So here the number 8 is a positive number, and minus 4 plus into minus 6, that equals to minus 7. Here also both numbers are negative. So here we conclude the result as minus. And 7 plus of minus 2 equals to 5. Different signs, no subtract. So we have know that formulas, plus into minus minus. So 7 minus 2 equals to 5. So here we get the different signs but no subtract. Next, the subtraction of signed numbers. Subtracting a signed number is equivalent to adding its opposite. This means that subtracting a positive number is like adding a negative number. So conversely, subtracting a negative number is like adding a positive number. Here also, subtraction of signed numbers using same signs. When subtracting two positive numbers, the result is positive if the first is larger. So when subtracting two negative numbers, it is if the first is larger, then the result is negative. Always consider the absolute values when making these calculations. And next, subtraction of signed numbers using different signs. To subtract a signed number with a different sign, change the subtraction to addition. For example, subtracting minus 5 becomes adding plus 5. So here we get the result as 0. So the resulting sign depends on the larger absolute value after this conversion. Next, example of subtraction. Here also we can see that 8 minus 3 equals to 5. Here both numbers are positive, 8 positive and 3 positive. So we get the answer as 5 as a positive number. And minus 6 minus of minus 2 equals to minus 4. Here also taking as a negative numbers on both sides. So we have get the result of the minus 4 as a negative number, and minus 5 minus 3 equals to minus 8. Subtracting a positive from a negative. Here, next, common mistakes to avoid. So we have this conclude and learn how to mistakes to avoid. A common mistake is forgetting to change the sign when subtracting. It's a most point of this subject. So another error is miscalculating the absolute values during addition or subtraction. So we have to see and later check once either it correct or not. So always double check your results, so ensure accuracy. Next, conclusion and practice. So this is the conclusion of my topic. So mastering the addition and subtraction of sign numbers is vital for future math concepts. Continuous practice with various problems will improve your skills. Next, use resources and exercises to gain confidence in handling sign numbers. And last, feel free to customize or expand upon any of the slides as needed. So this is the conclusion of my topic, addition and subtraction of sign numbers. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.